Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 6R, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to locate an app called File Manager, and when you find it, click on it. Then click on Storage Management over here and click on Phone Storage. After that, you need to look for Download folder, and when you find it, tap on it. As you can see, all my downloaded files are located over here. In order to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!